The KOCH SYSTEME CS little skillet with lid is a great addition to any kitchen. It is an 8-inch copper nonstick frying pan. This small skillet has a ceramic coating. The pan is made of aluminum. It is 100% PFOA free. You can use it on all stovetops. It is also safe for the oven. This skillet can handle many cooking tasks. The KOCH SYSTEME CS little skillet with has a non-stick surface. This makes cooking easier. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. You can cook eggs, seafood, and even leftovers without sticking. The copper helps with heat conduction. This means the pan heats up quickly and evenly. You will have confidence in your cooking. The glass lid lets you see your food as it cooks. This helps prevent spills and keeps the heat in. The appearance of the KOCH SYSTEME CS little skillet with is also nice. The copper color looks good in any kitchen. The handle is designed to be easy to hold. It stays cool while you are cooking on the stove. This little skillet is perfect for small dishes. It is also great for cooking for 1 or 2 people. Trust this pan to help you make delicious stuff. It will become one of your favorite kitchen tools, even for simple movies and snacks. Pros: all stovetops, includes lid, even heating, durable use, easy to clean, less oil needed. Ergonomic handle, oven safe. Cons: coating may peel, not metal utensil safe, not dishwasher safe, uneven heating possible. Quality control issues, short non-stick life, can warp over time, lid might not fit well. Features: 8-inch size, copper look, non-stick pan, has a lid, oven safe, stove safe, ceramic coat. Aluminum base, PFOA free, all stovetops. The KOCH SYSTEME CS little skillet is an 8-inch frying pan with a copper-colored look and a non-stick ceramic coating, making it easy to cook without food sticking. It comes with a lid to help trap heat and moisture while cooking. The pan has an aluminum base that helps it heat up quickly and evenly. It's safe to use in the oven and on all types of stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction. This skillet is also made without PFOA, which is a chemical that some older nonstick pans used and is now avoided for health reasons. This 8-inch KOCH SYSTEME CS little skillet is a copper-colored pan with a non-stick ceramic coating and a lid. It's made of aluminum and doesn't have PFOA. You can use it on all kinds of stovetops, and it can go in the oven, but the coating might peel. It's supposed to heat evenly and be easy to clean, so you don't need much oil. It has a handle that's made to be easy to hold. However, you shouldn't use metal tools on it or put it in the dishwasher. Some people have had problems with it heating unevenly, the non-stick not lasting long, and the pan warping. Also, the lid might not fit perfectly, and there could be issues with how well it's made.